Make a great choice today with the 2026 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, navigation from telematics. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.